Hello, teachers. I've gotten this question a couple of times, and it took me a minute and an email to our support team to have a good answer for you. But I want to walk you through how to find your students' annotations when you've assigned pages from the Reading Writing Companion within the digital side of Wonders. So, as we're in an e learning session right now, some of you are doing that maybe for the first time and the students are doing their annotations and submitting them, but you're having trouble finding them and going to them. So I want to show you the process of getting to that. There's a couple different places you can go, but if you don't do it in exactly this way, you won't actually see the students' annotations. So once you've assigned something from the Reading Writing Companion, students have completed it in Wonders, they've submitted it. If you go to Manage and Assign, an assignment manager, here's the Reading Writing Companion pages 116, 117. You can see that 3 out of 17 have submitted it. And if we go to details, we can see which ones submitted it and when. So logic would tell you that maybe you go here to see their results, and then teachers are clicking on here to get to that, but they're not seeing any annotations. So to actually see the work the student has done, you need to go to the binder and my student's work. You'll need to select a student and click go. And then it's going to bring up everything that this student has done some sort of work in. So the assignment that I'm looking for here is in units 3 and 4 work text. So I'm going to launch that. Okay, and here's where I got stuck again, because once I launched this, I went to pages 116 and 117, and I still didn't see any annotations. But all I've done is launched a generic version of this, like a blank copy of this. I still need to go back to the actual student. So to do that, I go, well, you can't see my icon. Hold on. I click on this little person with the gear icon, and then I can select the class and the student. And now I see the student's annotations. And then from there, you can go to all of the different students and see what they have annotated on in the work text that you assigned. So it's just a couple of steps that I don't think are very intuitive. So you may not have figured those out. And I think that if you can follow that procedure, you will have better luck seeing your students' annotations. I've tried it a few times. It does give you a warning that when they try to leave the annotating, it tells them that their work may not be saved, but it does actually auto save. There is no save button. So their customer support said that that does confuse some people, that it gives you that warning, but it is auto saving everything. It's just that you have to go through this process to get to it and be able to see the students' annotations. So I hope that that helps. If it doesn't, if you have additional questions or students' work that you're still having trouble finding, please reach out to me. I will do everything I can to support you. If you need to see that whole process again, back this video up and watch me navigate through it again, and you should be good to go.